Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Jobs UI in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to need a GUI for this. So create a screen GUI and we can name this to Job GUI. Then we can turn on Ignore GUI Inset and turn off Reset on Spawn. Then we can create a frame and we'll call this Employment Frame. Then what we can do is scale this up. And then we go to plugins and we can go ahead and use auto scale light, and what this plugin does is it makes it so it scales the same on all devices. Alright, if you don't have this plugin, you can go to toolbox and get it, and then we're just going to change the background color to something and also create a title. So text label, scale this to all the way. And I have the plugin Pro, UI Scale Light or whatever, Pro, so basically it just automatically does it for me. So you guys don't have to worry about that. Then we change the text color to white, remove the background, and then change this to job application. Then we can just name this title. Then we can create a button, and then this button will say accept, or like I don't know, join. Make the background white, make this bold, and then change the background of it to some good color. We want it to be like standing out. We'll do this gray. That looks good. And then we can create a button, or not a button, text box. Put this down here, and this will be like a job description. Clear text and focus, turn that off. Multi-line, yes. Name this to description. And then what we're gonna do is remove keep the background, and then just make it look better. Move everything down and stuff. Kind of like this. There we go. What I'm thinking is maybe we do remove the background, or we just make it like a darker version of that color. That looks good. And then in the description we can change this to source sans, make the text color white. And to finally finish this off, go to text X alignment and make that left, make text Y top, and now you can just type in whatever you want. Also, after we're done with this, we're going to turn off, first of all, text scale, we can turn that off, put this at like 25, I guess, and now we have a good thing. It'll be called, would you like to join whatever, breathers or something. I don't know. Let's think of a job. We can do I don't know, Robloxians. And it says your payment will be a variable for the GUI. Create a variable for the employment frame. GUI find first child employment, and then local description equals to employment frame find first child description. Local join button equals employment frame find first child join. Local close button equals employment frame find first child close. And then local title equals employment frame find first child title. That's all we need for there. Equals false. And then for join, what we're gonna do is make them join the team, and then while they're on the team, for every 5 minutes they get $25. So to do that, we're gonna make a script right here in script service and call this application manager. And then in team service, we'll create a team called Robloxians and make auto assignable off. And what we can do here is local join event equals game.replicate storage find first child join team or join job. And then in replicate storage, we'll add a remote event called join job. So that's what we're going to be able to join. Equals game dot teams find first child Robloxians. And also in this one right here, if you want to add multiple teams, which I know a lot of people do for most games, because nobody just wants to have one job, you can actually fire the server with the team name that you want to do. And what that does is it tells the server which one you want, and then you search in the teams, and then you just put them on that team. So I can actually show you guys that. It's not actually that hard. So what we got to do, team equals game.teams find first child job. Okay, now this is going to see if it has the job first of all. So what we're going to do is if job and game.teams find first child job, then we'll be able to switch. So if we try this out, it should work. Everything looks good. Would you like to join Robloxians? Your payment will be $25 every 5 minutes. Walk around and fulfill your job. We join, and now we're on the Robloxians. So what we got to do also is right here, we're just going to do employment frame dot visible equals false. And right here we can also do if job blah blah and player.team is not equal to game.teams find first child job. That way they don't do this if they're actually on the job already. And then what we're gonna do to finish this off is actually make it work. So what we're gonna do is game.teams.get players, or no, actually I'm gonna do while true do wait game dot or for IV in pairs game.teams get player. Ooh, okay, hold on. So in the job, or in the team I mean, we can add an int value and we'll call this money per 5 minutes. Make this 25 for Robloxians, and you just change this for every team so we don't have to like manually put it in. Okay, and then for every team in pairs game.teams get children do is equal to team do wait 300 and then player dot leader stats dot money dot value plus equals team dot money per 5 minutes. Okay, and then we can do if player dot team is equal to team do, or no, then there we go. And now we need leader stats, so we can easily add that right here. The leader stats equals instance.new folder, and then put that in the player. Leader stats.name equals leader stats. Also, a lot of people think leader stats is the only way you can save values in players, like money and stuff. Like, that's a common misconception, but you can do it in any folder. Leader stats is just a certain folder name that actually shows it in the leaderboard, so just so you know. And then we can do local money equals instance.new int value leader stats money.name equals money. Alright, so now we're finished for that, and to make this go faster, I'm just going to do 5 seconds. Also, we got an issue right here, attempt to index nil with changed. So what we got to do here is alright, so we don't have the player.team, so we can just repeat wait until player.team is not equal to nil. Now, this code right here is pretty buggy. Well, not buggy, but it's kind of weird. But yeah, that should work. So if we join, we're on Robloxians, it waits 5 seconds, and is gonna add it. In 5 seconds, okay, there's an issue. And the issue is, okay, repeating till the player team is not equal to nil. So, I guess what we do is you do player dot. Well, oh, okay. So a way that we can fix this is actually pretty simple. We just add a team called unemployed, and then make this auto assignable, and change our block scenes to a different color, like gray. There we go. That should work. So now if we join this one, we're a Robloxian, and then if we wait 5 seconds, it should work. Let's check up the values. Yeah, the money's still 0. Okay, so while player.team is equal to team, maybe, oh, it's a string? Yeah, it's a string. Okay, so while player.team.name is equal to team, and then player.team or .name is equal to team. So let's see if that works, because I didn't realize it was a string. I thought it was actually an instance of a team. So if we try that out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, it's still not working. That's really strange. So, well, let's see the issue here. It shouldn't be that hard to find. Player.team.changed. Connect function team. Well, let's do print team and see what happens. Because it should be printing Robloxian or whatever. Because I see that one. Yeah, okay, so the issue is we're not actually detecting the team being changed. And right here, we're printing the job. So for printing the job, we know this one works right here. If job and game players blah 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 not equal to game.teams, find first child job. What does that do again? Well, this is just joining the team. Okay, so what we could do here then is just do while player.team equal to job or game.teams find first child job. Do wait 5, and we just copy this code, and then we'll just get rid of all of this so we have the leader stats. If player.team.name, get rid of this, plus equals team.money per 5 minutes. Okay, it's gonna be game.teams for child job.money for 5 minutes. And it looks like the only issue now is we have an end right here. We don't need that. And now I think this will actually work. So just wait 5 seconds. Oh, add on number and instance dot value. There we go. And now, finally, after all that hard work, it should work. Yep, it works. So then if we wait another 5 seconds, yep, and the job works. So then if we just make this every 300 seconds, the Robloxian gets 400. Okay. And then what I'm going to do here is duplicate Robloxians once, and we'll call this one like cashier. And then money for 5 minutes equals like 1,200. Or this will be store owner. Change the color to cyan. And then we can have this one invisible and have this one instead. Have this one as store owner. Just to show you guys it works no matter how you do it. And then would you like to join instead of Robloxians? Oh. Join store owner. Your payment will be 1,200 every 5 minutes. Also for this one, I kind of messed it up. If we go to the text here, where did I get it? Employment. So we can have 2 job applications right here. And then right here, your payment will be 400 every 5 minutes. And I think this one's on text scale, or the other one is. So yeah, here we go. Now we have 2 job applications. If we try this out, would you like to join Robloxian? Sure. We get it every 300 seconds. And this one, it doesn't work because we're already on a team, I think. So if we, actually no, this one just isn't working at all. It's because it can't find this one, I guess. Okay, we're just gonna change this one right here to store or manager. We'll just do manager. Would you like to join manager? And then change this to manager 2. Try that out. Okay, this one isn't working, but this one is working. So, oh, okay. I know what the issue is now. Okay, the issue is we need to have this one in every actual frame. So GUI equals script.parent.parent, and then this one would be just script.parent. So then that's how you fix it. Okay, that's what I was doing wrong. You can do store owner or whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And if we just change description on both of them to text editable off, then move them to the middle because we want them in the middle. Oh. There we go. Boom, that one works, and that one works. And we both get the same amount of money, or no we don't. And we can actually change these to like 3 seconds instead. So now if we try this out, would you like to join Robloxian? Sure. So then we wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Boom, got $400. Then join this one. 1,200, 2,400. And we're making a lot of money. So I'm just gonna put this at 300 seconds. And if you want a full Roblox day, you could just do like repeat until time equals whatever. But yeah, that's how you do it. Everything works in this thing, so we're just gonna test it one more time. So like this one works, close button works, and it works great. Awesome. And also, it's really simple to open these. You just have to set this to visible. Okay. So I'm just going to just copy all of these and then group them. Put this all right here. Then call this job application. And I'm going to publish this to Roblox so you guys can download it. And boom, boom. And there you go. Alright everybody, that's it for today's video. This one was kind of a long one, but I'm kind of making up for all the time I missed on here on YouTube because I haven't posted in a long time. But we're so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I can't wait. I don't know what I'm going to do when I hit 1,000 subscribers, probably do something special, but a lot of you guys don't know I have a Discord server, and yeah, I do have a Discord server. We have a bunch of members, and if you guys want to join that, I'm happy to help anybody with their scripting problems and stuff. So check that out if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.